In this video, Bitcoin is right now forming a bullish sign and bullish pattern despite of the bearish breakout. Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gabs Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell so you won't miss out our videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video. And before we start, meron din tayong Apple Watch SE giveaway. As you can see, 19 pa lang ang sumasali, so there are more chances of winning. And as you can see, ang kailangan nyo lang gawin is mag-sign up sa Wix and mag-trade ng at least $20. Sapat na yon para sa entry nyo. So make sure to take advantage of this, especially na the konti lang sumasali, more chances of winning. But yeah, let's now dive in detail sa price ni Bitcoin. And as you can see, sa previous analysis natin, di ba, we were monitoring this bearish breakout na nga sa wakas ni Bitcoin dito on top of this ascending channel. So we finally saw a bearish breakout. However, ang bad sign dito ngayon is we are now forming this falling wedge dito, forming with the Bitcoin price action. So right now, this is right now forming a bullish pattern back to 79,000 US dollars. And right now, as you can see, meron din tayong nagpo-form na bullish divergence wherein price is declining while RSI is increasing. So those are traditional signs of a bullish divergence. So right now, I believe we can expect for Bitcoin to go back at least the 77,700 at least, dyan around this area. So right now, that is what we are currently monitoring. But let's see ano mangyayari dito. Right now, naka-open ako ng long position dito at the current price action, targeting 76,800 US dollars for the very short term. But if ever na magkaroon na tayo dito ng breakout, we are going to open a long position again, targeting 79,000 US dollars. So first target is going to be the 77,700. Then final target is going to be the 79,000 US dollars. So that is what we are going to monitor within the next few days dito kay Bitcoin. And take note guys, if you're going to take advantage of this trade, make sure to trade this kay Wix, kasi kay Wix, mura Bitcoin trading fees. And hindi nyo kailangan mag-KYC. So, napakadali lang mag-sign up dito. So, make sure to sign up nga na ngayon with Wix. The sign up link is available guys in the description down below. And siguro let's try to look at some other updates pa. I don't think that we have any other updates other than that. But yun muna for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.